ay mula doon sa pagdedemo ng teacher, inanonood po siya. Kasi kailangan makita niya yung kung paano din talaga ginawa ng teacher at makita niya kung paano rin dinalo yung observer or yung nagbibigay ng PA dun sa teacher. Kung paano naman niya dinalo yung pagbibigay naman niya ng assistance dun sa teacher. Kaya naman, sisimulan na po namin. And hopefully, wala lang po kayo ibang pupuntahan kundi ang pagiging master teacher o principal or EPS. Kaya, sana po makinig po tayo. Parang magkaroon na po kayo agad na iiyak kung paano po kayo ginigisa. Paano po ang gagawin ninyo para ma-improve nyo naman din po yung inyong pag-TA. Po. Ayan. Sasabihin po namin drama to. Drama. Okay. So good afternoon, Sir Dennis.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ayan. So thank you for allowing me to sit while you conducted your post-conference or post-observation conference with our two demonstration teachers. I really appreciate your dedication in mentoring and supporting our two teachers na talaga namang nag-prepare for their demonstration teaching. Now, before I share my feedback, meron muna akong isang tanong. So, okay ka lang naman ngayon?
Yes, ma'am.
Feeling great?
Great.
Okay, very good. So, syempre gusto ko ay relax ka lang. Tayo ay parang nagchichikahan lang dito, no? At huwag matakot. Okay? Sige. Now, I have a question for you. And just be open kung ano lang yung, kung ano yung sa palagay mo na gusto mo i-share. How did you feel about the overall process that took place during your post-conference?
Siguro, ma'am, meron akong mga part na kung saan some of my comments I observe ay medyo nakakakaba sa mga teachers. Most especially the experienced teachers. Kasi baka meron akong masabing masakit or ma-offend sila. So, yun po yung isa sa mga bagay na iniiwasan ko in terms of having the observation or post-conference. Pero as of this moment naman po, kahit paano, wala pa naman po akong nakakaaway na teachers. Pero kahit paano po, alam ko naman po medyo siguro nagkakasakit yung mga comments na tumama. Pero positive pa rin naman po yun sa kanila since sa constructive criticism naman po yung nangyari.
Okay. So, very good yun, sir. And for sure naman, since you are using appreciative inquiry, walang mananakit sa'yo or masasaktan. Dahil nga ang appreciative inquiry ay gumagamit ng 4Ds, no? So, ano ba yung 4Ds na yun? We have the discovery, the dream, design, parang starstruck. Dream, believe, discovery, dream, design, and destiny. Okay? So, yun yung dapat kasi natin na ina-apply whenever we give technical assistance to our teachers. Now, there are several commendable strengths in the way you provided technical assistance at kitang-kita ko yun. And, para sa kunyari wala ka. And dahil nagkaroon naman na rin tayo ng pag-uusap dahil this is the first time na ako ay magbibigay sa iyo ng technical assistance, nabanggit mo na sa akin kung paano yung practice mo ng pagbibigay ng technical assistance sa teachers mo. And base sa iyo ay you don't usually write sa observation notes. Yan. Wherein, the practice of most sa bagay, iba-iba naman talaga yung nagbibigay ng nag-o-observe. Pero yung pinapagamit sa atin, diba, ay yung STAR. Yan, yung STAR format ng pag-o-observe. Which is situation, task, and then we have the action, and then the result. No? Pero, nabanggit mo rin sa akin na lahat naman na nakikita mo or na-observe mo, tinitake down or tinatype mo. So, okay naman yon. Now, number one, mga commendable strengths mo, Sir Dennis, is you communicated clearly, directly, and simply, no? Which help the teachers understand your points without confusion. No? So, binigay mo agad. Kaya naman, sa ganung paraan, nare-realize nakakapag-reflect si teacher kung ano ba yung mga possible improvements pa sa kanilang pagdaloy ng pagtuturo. Okay, and of course, you use appreciative inquiry effectively by highlighting the teacher's strengths before moving on to the improvement areas. So tama po yun. Kailangan lahat muna ng good points and let the teachers reflect and realize kung ano yung kailangan nila ng improvement. Yan. You listen attentively as well. Yan. And give the teacher enough space to express their ideas. No? And dahil doon, naramdaman ng dalawang teachers na very supportive ka doon sa, or very supportive atmosphere, no? Since kayo naman ng dalawa yung nag-uusap. Talaga ba? Ayan. And nakita ko rin at narinig ko that you maintain a positive tone all throughout the post-conference, which of course shows genuine empathy to the teachers during the conversation. Now, there are still opportunities, no, for a much stronger instructional leadership, no, in terms of observing a teacher or giving technical assistance to teachers. Now, Sir Dennis, to further strengthen your mentoring, I see opportunities where your technical assistance can become even more impactful. Ayan. So, nakita ko naman na tinanong mo kanina si Sir Enzo. Binigay